Surface area of triangular prisms here. Now we're trying to find the surface area of this triangular prism. Now remember, the surface area of a triangular prism comes from the net of a triangular prism. So the net of a triangular prism, depending on what triangular prism, might have 3 different rectangles and 2 triangles that are the same. So we need to find the area of each of those shapes and add them all together. That's our basic goal in today's lesson. So here we have a triangular prism, and you can see that it's made up of a variety of shapes. First of all, it's made up of 2 triangles on either side. 2 of those. Now, it's made up of a rectangle on the bottom. That is that rectangle down here. It's also made up of 2 slanting rectangles on the top. Now, those slanting rectangles are the same because I've just put those little lines in there, which means that they're 5 by 10. So I'll just draw them in there. Okay, and we have 2 of those. So we just need to find the area of these 3 shapes and add them all together. So the surface area of this triangular prism is equal to 2 times the area of this. Now the area of this is a triangle, so it's base times height, which we know is 6 because it's written there in green, divided by 2. So it's going to be 2 times 6 times 4 divided by 2. So there's the surface area of our 2 triangles. Now there's only one of these, so plus whatever the area of this is. Now this is the base one, so we can see that it's got a length of 10 and a width of 4. And then finally add 2 of these, because there's 2 of these sloping ones. So 2 times, that's 2 of them, 10 times 5. They're 10 long and they're 5 wide. Now really after that, it's just a matter of putting all that into your calculator. Now 2 times 6 times 4 divided by 2, that's going to give you 24. Plus 4 times 10, that's going to give you 40. Plus 2 times 10 times 5, that's going to give you 100. And that's 164 centimeters squared. So that's the surface area of a triangular prism. If you break it down into its individual shapes, and then you add them all together, it shouldn't pose too much of a difficulty.